morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 8, a decimal. Exercise 8.4. Question number 3. Question number 3 have expressed centimeter using decimals. And this is your class 6 mathematics. Okay, class 6 mathematics. Now chapter decimals. Clear? So here this is given question number 3. A part 5 millimeter. mm is millimeters. 60 millimeters. 164 millimeters. 9 centimeter. 8 millimeters. 93 millimeters. Okay. So we need to convert this quantity, which is given in millimeters, in centimeter using decimals. So for this we need to know what is the relation between a millimeter and centimeters. Okay. So we know that here you can write first part of this question. This is given and that 5 millimeter mm. So we need to convert. We need to express 5 millimeter in centimeter using decimal. So for this we know that what we know that 1 centimeter is equal to how millimeters? So basically you can say 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Okay, because you know very well kilo, hecto, deca, meter, deci, centi, millimeters. Deci, centi, milli. After centi we have to have milli. So you can say 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeter? 10 millimeters. This cm represents centimeters and mm represent millimeters. Again I repeat these questions. This is kilometer is kilo, hecto, deca, meter, deci, centi, millimeter. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, or you can say 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, and 1 meter is equal to 10,000 millimeters. Okay, but here we need to relation between centimeter and millimeter. So we know 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Also you can write it 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, or 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeters. Clear? So we have 5 millimeters, and if you convert 1 by 10 centimeter in decimal, then you obtain 1 by 10 is equal to 1 millimeter. 1 by 10 is equal to 0.1 centimeter. This is clear? 1 by 1 mm is equal to millimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter, and 1 by 10 is equal to what? 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is equal to 0.1. So here how many millimeter we have? In first part of question number 3, this is given 5 millimeter. So we need to convert this 5 millimeter in centimeter. So you can see this is our relation. 1 millimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter. So you can write here 5 millimeters. 5 millimeter is equal to how many centimeter? Okay, but here you can see 1 millimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter. So you can multiply by 5 into 0.1 centimeter. This is equal to If you multiply by 5, 0.1 into 5, this is equal to 0.5 centimeter. 0.5 centimeters. Clear? 5 millimeter is equal to 0.5 centimeter. This is clear. So you can write here 5 millimeter is equal to 0.5 centimeter. In this question, this is given that express centimeter using decimal. So here this is given 5 millimeters. So first we need to know what is the relation between millimeters and the centimeters. As you know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Okay, or you can say 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, or 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeters. So if you divide 1 by 10, then you obtain 0.1. It means that you can see here 1 millimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeters. Then we have 5 millimeter. So 5 millimeter is equal to 5 into 0.1. This is equal to what? This is equal to 0.5 centimeters. Okay, so in this way you can see you find 5 millimeter is equal to 0.5 centimeters. Now we are going to discuss B part of question number 3. B part have 60 millimeters. So we need to convert 60 millimeter in centimeter using decimal. So let's see how to convert them. Okay, how can we express that 60 millimeters in centimeter using decimal? So this is a B part of question number 3, exercise 8.4, chapter 8, decimal. Okay. What is decimal and its properties we already discussed in previous video. You can see there. So here this is B part of question number 3. This is 60 mm represent millimeters. Mm represent millimeter. So we know that the relation between millimeter and the centimeter. What is the relation between millimeter and the centimeter? This is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So you can write here first. We know that what you know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to what? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, or we can say 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeters. Clear? Or you can write 1 millimeter. This is equal to 1 by 10 centimeters. Clear? If you divide 1 by 10, then you obtain what? Then you obtain 0.1. Okay, so you can write here 1 millimeter. This is equal to 0.1 centimeter. This is relation. Okay, so we have how many centimeter? We have 60 millimeter. So we have 60 millimeter. This is equal to 60 into 0.1. This is given 60 millimeter. This is equal to what? This is equal to 60 into 0.1. So 60 into 0.1, you can write here 60 into 0.1 centimeter. This becomes 6.0 centimeters, or you can say simply 6 centimeters. Okay, so this is given 60 millimeters. We can find this is equal to 6 centimeters, because you know very well 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, or similarly you can say 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Clear? Now, or simply you can write 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeters, or this is a millimeter, not meter. This is a millimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeters, or we have 16 millimeters. So 60 millimeter is equal to 16 to 0.1 centimeters. This is equal to 60 centimeters, 6 centimeters. So you can say 60 millimeter is equal to 6 centimeters. Now we are going to discuss next part, C part of question number third. What have C part? This is given 164 millimeter. Okay, so we can solve express one by one the given questions. This is a C part of this questions. This is given 164 millimeter. 164 millimeters. So how can we express this? We can express, first we write we know that. First write here, we know that. What you know that? We know the relation between centimeter and millimeter. What is the relation between centimeter and millimeter? So basically we can say 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, or 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeters, or you can say 1 millimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeters. Okay, so let's see. So it becomes 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, or you can say that 10 millimeter, this is equal to 1 centimeters, or 1 millimeter, this is equal to 1 millimeter is equal to, we can write 1 upon 10 centimeter. Similarly we can write it 1 millimeter. If you convert in decimal, if you divide 1 by 10, then you obtain 0.1 centimeters. So we have here how many millimeters? We have 164 millimeters. So 164 millimeter, this is equal to what? This is equal to 164 into 0.1 centimeters. Okay, so it becomes 116.4 centimeters. Okay, so in this way you can see we convert 164 millimeter, this is equal to 16.4 centimeters. Clear? Now we are going to discuss this part, D part of this question number 3. What have in D part? In D part this is given that the 9 centimeter and 8 millimeter. Clear? 9 centimeter and 8 millimeter. So in D part you can see 9 centimeter, 8 millimeter. We can write it, this is equal to what? This is equal to 9 centimeter plus 8 millimeter. Clear? So here this is given centimeter, so we need to only convert 8 millimeters. Okay, 9 is in centimeter, but 8, this part is in millimeters, so we express this part as a centimeter using decimal. So for this we know, as you know that the relation between centimeter and the millimeter. What is the relation between centimeter and the millimeter? Obviously we can say this is a 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Okay, so we write here, as you know, as we know, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters, or you can write here 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeters. Okay, or we have 8 millimeter. Similarly we can write it 1 millimeter is equal to, if you convert, if you express 1 by 10 as a decimal, then you obtain 0.1 centimeter. 0.1 centimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter, but we have 8 millimeter. 8 millimeter. This is equal to what? This is equal to 8 into 0.1 centimeter, and we obtain here 0.8. If you multiply 8 by 0.1, then you obtain 0.8 centimeter. 0.8 centimeter. Clear? After this, if you add them 0.8, you replace 8 millimeters by 0.8 centimeters and add them, then we convert it, then we express it. So it becomes, you can write here 9 centimeter 8 millimeter. This is equal to 9 centimeter plus 8 millimeter, but here we convert, we write 9 centimeter as it is, and but 8 millimeters is equal to 0.8 centimeter. 8 millimeter is equal to 0.8 centimeter. This becomes 9.8 centimeters. Clear? This becomes 9.8 centimeters. So in this way you can see we express 9 centimeter 8 millimeter in centimeter using decimal. So 9 centimeter 8 millimeter, this becomes what? This becomes 9.8 centimeters. Clear? And the next part is, this is given in E part. So student, I hope all of you understood this part, D part of question number 3, that you are able to express centimeter in given millimeter, the given quantity 9 centimeter 8 millimeter by using decimals. Okay, so I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next part, E part of this question number 3. What have been E part? You can see this is given in E part. This is given what? 93 millimeters. Okay, so let's see how to be expressed 93 millimeter as a centimeters. Okay, so this is E part. This is given here 93 millimeter. 93 millimeter. This is given here. So we can write here. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters or 10 millimeter. This is equal to 1 centimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to what? 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeters, or you can say 1 millimeter. This is equal to 0.1 centimeters. Okay, 1 millimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter, but we need to convert here 93 millimeter. 93 millimeter is equal to what? 93 millimeter is equal to 93 into 0.1 centimeters. This is equal to 9.3 centimeters. So in this way you can see here we express 93 millimeter. This becomes 9.3 centimeters. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 4 of this exercise 8.4 chapter 8 decimals. Okay, so I hope all of you able and understood how to convert millimeter in centimeters. Okay, so let's see what have been question number 4 of this exercise 8 point. So now this is question number 4. In question number 4 have express as kilometer using decimals. Okay, express as a kilometer using decimals. Here this is given, this question number 4. A part 8 meter, 88 meter, 888 meter. 70 kilometer 5 meter, you need to express the following as a kilometer using decimal. So first we need to know what is the relation between them. Means relation between kilometers and meters. So you know very well this scale: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter. Kilo, hecto, deca, meters. Okay. So here 1 0 0 0 means 1000. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Okay. So kilo, hecto, deca, meters. Okay. Deci, centi, millimeters. But here we need to know only kilo, hecto, deca, meters. It means that the relation between kilometer and meter is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to how many centimeter? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 centimeters, as you know. Okay. So let's see how to express meters as kilometer using decimals. Okay. So for this, first you write here, we know that. What we know that? We know that is equal to 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. But we need to convert meter into kilometer. So we can write here 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometers. Okay. Or we can write 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometers. 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometers. But we have how many meters? Also you can write in decimal. If you divide 1 by 1000, then you obtain what? You obtain 0.001 kilometer. This is clear? This is clear? Okay. Now, so we have 8 meter. So we can write here 8 meter is equal to what? 8 meter is equal to, here you can see 1 meter is equal to 0.001 kilometer. So we have 8 meter. So we can write here 8 meter into 0.001 kilometer. This is equal to what? If you multiply 8 by 0.001 kilometer, then you obtain what? You obtain 0.008. So we can write here, it becomes 0.008 kilometers. In this way, you can express 8 meters is 0.008 kilometers. Okay. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions, this part. This is the A part of question number 4. This is given that express 8 meter as a kilometer using decimals. So for this, first we try to know what the relation between meter and a kilometer. So as you know that the 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. But we need to convert it meter in kilometer. So we can write here 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometers, or 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. Clear? When you divide 1 by 1000, then we obtain 0.001. But in these questions we have how many meters? In these questions we have 8 meters. So we need to convert 8 meters in how many kilometers? So for this, 8 meters is equal to, because we know that 1 meter is equal to 0.001 kilometers. 1 meter is equal to 0.001 kilometers. So but we convert 8 meter is equal to 8 into 0.001 kilometer. This is equal to 0.008 kilometers. So in this way you can see here we convert 8 meter in kilometer. So 8 meter is equal to 0.008 kilometers. So let's see second part of this question. B part have 88 meters. We need to convert 88 meter as a kilometer. So let's see how to express 88 meter as a kilometer using decimals. So in this question again we write the relation between meter and the kilometers. First here you can write this is 88 meters. Okay, so in these questions again we write we know and that what you know 1 kilometer, 1 km represent kilometers, am represent meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, or we can write it 1000 meter. This is equal to 1 kilometer. Simply we can write 1 meter. This is equal to what? 1 by 1000 kilometers. Clear? 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometers. When you divide 1 by 1000, then what we obtain? We obtain here 1 meter is equal to 0.001 kilometer. Clear? 0.001 kilometer. This is clear. Now after this we have 88 meter. So 88 meter is equal to what? We can write 88 meter is equal to 88 into 0.001 kilometers. This is equal to nothing but we can write here 0.088 kilometers. So in this way you can see we can express 88 meter as a kilometer using decimal. So 88 meter is equal to 0.088 kilometer. This is clear. So student, I hope all of you understood this question and you were able to solve such type question that can you express meter in kilometer using decimals. So in this way we complete exercise question number C part of question number 4, and this is last part, D part of these questions. 70 kilometer 5 meters. Okay, so we need to express it 70 kilometer 5 meter as a kilometer using decimal. So you can see that 70 kilometer is as a kilometer. So we need not to change 70 kilometer, but we need to change 5 meters. Okay, so let's see how to solve this question. This part of question number 3. This is last part, D part. Okay, so first you write D part here. 70 kilometer 5 meters. This is equal to you can write 70 kilometer plus 5 meters. Clear? So 70 kilometers we write as it is, but you need to convert 5 meter as a kilometers. So as you know that we can write here we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Okay, or you can say 1 meter is equal to 0.001 what? Kilometers. Already we discussed in previous part, A part, B part, C part, that how can we find 1 meter is equal to 0.001 kilometers. We write here directly 1 meter is equal to 0.001 kilometers. This is our relation between meter and kilometers. Clear? So but we have 5 meters. So 5 meter is equal to how many kilometers? 5 meter is equal to 5 into 0.001 kilometer. This is equal to what? This is equal to 0.005 kilometers. This is 5 meters. Okay, so we can write it here, 70 kilometer 5 meter. This is equal to 70 kilometer plus 5 meters are here. We write 70 kilometer as it is, plus 5 meters. We find this becomes 5 meters becomes 0.0005 kilometers, or you can write it 70.005 kilometers. Okay, so student, you can see here we express 70 kilometer 5 meter as a kilometer using decimal. This is equal to 70.005 kilometers. Okay, so student, I hope all of you understood this question, and in this way we complete the question number 4, and the next questions we discuss next video. So thank you for watching. Jai Hind.